Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're on an updated Android release and you have admin access. Open Settings and go straight to Apps, then Special App Access, then Display over other apps. You need to see which apps can draw over the screen because those are the sources of persistent ad overlays. Once you locate the list, tap each suspicious app to begin revoking permission and make sure to note apps that look like utilities but serve ads. Now you dig into the middle steps. Revoke the draw over other apps permission for any app showing ads. Once done, uninstall or disable apps you don't recognize or that were installed just before ads appeared. Make sure to restrict background data and battery access for apps you can't remove, because that reduces their ability to fetch or display ads. Also open Chrome and other browsers to disable pop-ups and clear site data so web-based ads stop resurfacing. Finish by installing a reputable ad blocker or switch to a secure browser, and Review Play Protect Scan results to remove malware. If ads persist after permissions and removals, back up data and consider a factory reset. Do this only as a last resort. If something goes wrong, boot into Safe Mode to confirm whether a third-party app causes ads. Safe Mode disables them. Make sure to restore apps selectively so you don't reintroduce the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.